Children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In part 4, today I am going to take the question answers. So, lesson 2 question answers I have divided into 4 parts. So, let's begin with the first part, that is define. So, the very first one is define landforms. So, what are landforms? Landforms are natural features of the landscape. Natural physical features of the earth's surface. The second one, faulting. It is a process that leads to the fracturing of rocks due to the stretching of rocks. The third one, mountains. So, what is the definition of mountain? A mountain is a mass of land considerably higher than the surrounding area. The next one is valley. So, a valley is a low area between hills. Then we come to the next one, plateau. It is a broad and rather flat area of land rising sharply above the surrounding area. Now let's come to the next one, the plain. A plain is a broad and of relatively flat land. The next one is gorge. A narrow, deep river valley with steep sides. So these were your define. The first one was landform, faulting, mountain, valley, plateau, plain and gorge. Now let's come to the second section. Name the following. So the first question is two forces due to which the surface of the earth is changing. So these are, the first one is exogenic force and the next one is endogenic force. Now let's come to the next one. The next one is give the example of valley. So the first one is Great Rift Valley of Africa and the next one is the Valley of Jordan. Now we come to the third one. Name any two towns located in the Ganga Brahmaputra plain. The first one is Allahabad and the second one is Kanpur. Let's come to the next one. Name any two cash crops of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The first one is sugarcane and the next one is jute. Coming to the third section, that is short question answers. We'll take the first one. What are young mountains? So the mountains that are very tall and have pointed peaks are called young mountains. Is it clear, children? Coming to the next one, next question. Ladakh receives less rainfall. Give reason. So what is the reason? Ladakh receives less rainfall because it lies in the rain shadow area of the Himalayas. Coming to the third question. State any two features of the intensive subsistence agriculture. So, it is a labor-intensive farming and high doses of biochemical inputs are used to obtain high production. So, here we end up with the question answers. The next set, the fourth set is comparison. So here again what we have earlier discussed are the exogenic forces and the endogenic forces. So what is the how can we compare these two? So first of all, exogenic forces we'll discuss. These are external forces that act on the earth's surface through many processes like weathering, erosion, deposition, etc. Wind and river. Coming to the next one, endogenic forces. These are the forces that are internal, that come from within the earth. For example, earthquake and volcanoes. Coming to the second comparison, young mountains and old mountains. So, young mountains are mountains that are tall and have pointed peaks. The next one, old mountains. These mountains are low in height and their peaks are rounded. So children, here we end up with the question answers. Okay, and now coming to the exercise, let's discuss the match the following. In match the following, first one is endogenic forces, and to this answer is here volcanic eruption. Then we come to the second one, the exogenic forces, and to this the answer is wind. The third one, mountain, okay, the Himalayas, okay, Vindhyas, the answer is block mountains. And fifth one, Mount Fujiyama, it's a volcanic mountain. Coming to the Phillips, the first one over here, yes, the first one, dash mountains are found due to faulting in the ground surface, and the answer here is block mountain. Second one, dash is the highest plateau of the world, Tibetan plateau. The third one, dash and dash are examples of block mountains, Vindhya and Satpura. Fourth one, dash and dash are the major plains of the world, the great coastal plains of USA and the Ganga Brahmaputra plain. The last one, dash is the main animal of Ladakh region. So the answer is yak. Coming to the multiple choice answers, the first one is dash is the most important river of Ladakh. Answer is Indus. Then coming here, Gompas is a temple. Third one, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin has what type of climate? Monsoon type of climate. Now Rohu, Katla and Hilsa are fish. See children here. Next one, Kaziranga and Manas wildlife sanctuaries are in Assam. So children, here we end up with our exercise. Thank you.